Hello guys, welcome back. Today is 30th day of our 100 days of challenge of Adobe. Today we are creating a text portrait. So let's get started. First drag your image into the Photoshop. Unlock the image layer. Then go to image mode and make the grayscale. Then go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur. Adjust the value something like this. Then go to file and save as the file as displacement map. It will be used afterward while creating our main effect. Now press Ctrl Z to undo the effect or go to edit, step backward. Now again go to file and save as the file as our main. Then go to curves, make a adjustment layer, curves adjustment layer and adjust the curves something like bright. Then select the text tool and drag holding the left mouse button to the whole screen. And now we have to use random text generator to take any random text and fill the layer. So I am copying from here. Note that you don't have to give paragraph, it should be continuous, so delete all the paragraphs. Okay, it is done. Now select all, copy and paste on our main layer. Adjust the size of your text according to you. Okay, here is a paragraph remaining. Let's delete it first. Okay, now it's done. Now select all the text which you have copied here already. Then again copy it and paste it at the end. Do it again and again to fill whole layer, to fill all the image. Something like this. Adjust the height, the distance between the rows as you wish. Oh sorry, something went wrong. Increase the distance between the line as you wish. Adjust the size of your text and the distance between the text to get a perfect look. Copy, paste again and again and again. Okay, now select the text layer and convert it to smart object because we can edit it afterward also. Now go to filter, distort and displacement. Hit OK and select the displacement layer which we have created before. Bring the curves and the main layer above all of them. Now hold Alt and press the line between them. It will make a clipping mask. Now make a new layer and just add a black color to it. And we are done. Here's your effect. So that's it for today. Hope you have learned something. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel because the best is yet to come.